When you can't wait to satisfy that chocolate craving, try this fancy French dessert made with simple yet flavorful ingredients. Learn how to make a quick chocolate mousse with this easy guide brought to you by recipes.net. In a large bowl, add the sweetened condensed milk, water, and instant chocolate pudding mix. Beat until well mixed. Then, let it chill for 5 minutes before adding in the whipping cream. Fold until evenly incorporated. Ladle into dessert glasses or bowls, then garnish with whipped cream and chocolate shavings. Serve and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.